Hey everyone, Scott Holmes here at MarineMax in Greenville. Are you looking for the best of both worlds on our local lakes? We'll look no further than the 2025 Sea Ray 250 SDX Surf. This boat has our Next Wave technology, has a dry weight around 7,500 pounds with an additional 1,500 pounds worth of ballast. This makes for an excellent riding boat on our choppy waters and also allow you to have all the fun with your kids and grandkids while you can surf, tube, wakeboard, or just cruise the waters. This boat has the two-tone color hull. You can come around to the back and let me show you a little bit more. Here's our Next Wave surf technology with your trim tab system to make the surf wave. This boat has the underwater lights. Of course, it has the MeriCruiser reverse drive to keep you safe while you surf. 350 horsepower, 6.2 liter engine. We've got the drop-down submersible swim platform to make an excellent area to board the boat or just to lounge and relax. And just take a moment here, let me climb inside. We'll show you more that the boat has to offer in the interior. Welcome aboard. This boat has a Sea Ray side walk-through windshield, which just helps give you a massive console with ton of storage and a huge walk-around bow. You'll notice you have tons of seating with even a port side lounger for 2 people. You've got an additional anchor and front boarding ladder. And Sea Ray thought of everything. We have interior lighting on this boat, charging areas for your cell phones and drinks, low mounted grab handles for a nice comfortable ride. And check out the storage on this console. We can outfit this with a head inside here if you want, or you can just use it to store all your gear that your friends are going to want to bring along on the boat. Here at the captain's helm, we have the dual screen Simrads. This will allow you to control all aspects of the boat. The power tower, the stereo system, the surf waves, the ballast system, the speed control. Everything controlled right here on your dual Simrad dash. This boat does have the digital shift and throttle too, and an additional trim tab system for when you're cruising to make a comfortable ride. And take a look at the versatile seating arrangement on this boat. Both forward seats have flip-up bolsters, reversible helm and co-helm seat, wraparound cockpit seating. The backrest will drop down to make for an even larger swim platform pad area. And of course, you got your stereo controls, freshwater washdown, and everything located in the rear as well. Come see this boat in person at MarineMax in Greenville. Thank you.